Calgary, you guys! So, ito yung nirent naming car. Ito, nirent naming car, Ford Escape. Parang 53 CAD a day to, or 50 CAD a day, plus yung insurance na kinuha namin yung maxim. Kakain kami here, you know. So after we ate in Tokyo Street Market, we went straight to downtown Calgary. Pupunta kami sa Prince Island Park, which is like 3 minutes drive away kung saan kami kumain. And it's a street parking, magbabayad ka dun sa machine na yun. And for this, for an hour of parking, we paid $2 Canadian and 50 cents. Ganda dito sa park na to, guys. Ito, kita mo yung city sa likod ko. Yan lang. Para kami nasa Central Park.
Hey.
Linaw ng river na to, oh. OMG. Ito pala talaga sa Calgary. Is rocking. Okay, so nagpahinga lang kami, tapos ngayon pupunta na kami sa Banff, pero hindi kami magda-drive. Ayun yun ang bus, oh. Public transit. So ayun, magbabus lang kami papunta sa Banff para hindi kami mahirapan sa parking. Ayun, so hinahanap namin ng bus stop right now. Public transit stop. Ayan yung route. Tapos ito yung schedule. And then, dito, pwede ka bumili nung tickets and pass. So, goods rin to, ha? Ayan. Pero pwede ka rin namang bumili online. Anyways, tignan nyo naman. Nandito na kami sa town of Banff. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty, or whatever. Bumili ako ng hot compute. So,
ay, kayo na pala sa
So, ito is $20 siya. 20 ba, diba? May mag-dinner sa Old Spaghetti Factory. Old Spaghetti Factory. And here is uwian na! Cute ng hat ko. Banff. Walk trip kami, mga idolo. So this is our full day in Canmore and Banff. And tingnan nyo naman yung view namin sa terrace, ha. Look at that. Wow. Ito yung ganda ng araw. Pagdating namin dito sa Banff, nag-transfer kami sa next bus ride namin, which is the Banff Lake Louise Regional Express. So from town of Banff to Lake Louise, it's like 40 to 45 minutes of driving then. Grabe. Very madulas. Ito na yung Lake Louise. Saan siya ngayon? Punta tayo din mamaya. Ayan. Ito na siya. The Unfolding. So ganda. Ito yung Fairmont Chateau. So for sure mahal dyan. Nang kami nag-breakfast sa loob, yung pinakita ko yung Kineso. Ayan o. Oo, ganda ni Idolo. Ganda ni Lake Louise. Pero yun nga, frozen pa siya right now. Madulas yan guys, madulas. Are back in Banff town. Dito kami magla-lunch. So, ito ang aming lunch.
Dear.
Ano pa doon isa?
Ay, meron pa nga ata doon isa eh.
Yes. Andito na kami sa bus stop, pabalik sa Canmore. So, yan. Tapos ng gala namin dito sa town ng Banff.
Uwi na kami sa Vegas.
Hi. I'm gonna miss you, Banff. You're so pretty. Nag-DoorDash kami for our breakfast. Iniiwan lang nila yung dito. Look. Ayan na. Tim Hortons. Kami mag-breakfast sa terrace. Tingin namin. You see that? Do you see that? Quick Airbnb tour. So for this day, we spent $58.79 for each night. So for 2 nights, it's $117.58. That's in USD. So for the whole stay, we paid $227.50. That's with a cleaning fee, service fee, and taxes. So again, this is located in Canmore, 15 minutes away from Banff. Punta kami sa Policeman's Creek Trail. Yan ang last punta namin dito sa Canmore bago kami bumalik sa Calgary. Ito yung Quarry Lake pero low siya.
As you can see.
And as usual, nag-yellow si Akla. Trans-Canada Highway na ulit kami, going back to Calgary. Goodbye, Canadian Rockies! Sila guys, oh. So, uwi on time na. Nandito na kami sa Calgary International Airport. Mamaya 6 PM ang flight namin to Las Vegas. And, ayun. Bye-bye, guys. Bye ka na sa kanila. Tapos na yung vlog.
Bye-bye.
Ground.